Do you have your shapes?
Yeah.
Okay, then I would like for your 5 jumping jacks. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, let's say our pattern again, Miss Caitlin.
Triangle, 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 hexagon, 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 circle, circle, circle.
All right, you 3 line up and let's see if you're right. Okay, all of kindergarten, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's say the pattern and see if they're right. Are you ready?
Triangle, 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 hexagon, 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 circle, 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 triangle, triangle, triangle.
Did they do it?
Yes.
Give them a high five. Yay, give them a clap. Yay, good job.